Hi, you're welcome again to this class. My name is Buki, so you can call me Teacher Buki, and you're welcome to biology lessons. For this class, we're going to need the following items: your full attention. We're going to need your writing materials, your pencil, your pen, your eraser, and your ruler. And in this class, there are rules. The rules of the class is there's no loitering during lessons, and there's no chorus answer, there's no noise making, and if you need to take turns, you can raise your hands for questioning or answer or for excuses. Thank you. Now let's go proper into the topic. The topic of this day is Introduction to Biology. For this class, it's going to be interactive, it's going to be fun, and it's going to be well detailed. And I'm sure that you're going to have fun as well as I'm going to be having fun too. Now, Introduction to Biology, that is the topic. And in this class, at the end of the class, the objective is that you should be able to define biology. You should be able to mention the three main branches of biology. You should be able to list and explain these three main branches of biology. Thank you. And you're going to have fun as well. And I love an interactive class. So if you need to ask me a question, please kindly raise your hands as I will respond to you accordingly. Thank you. And also in this class, before we move and continue, I would like you to introduce yourselves to me so that I will get familiar and I won't have to keep calling you by names or some names that will be offensive to you. Okay, thank you. So what's your name? That's awesome. Thank you. So now let's go back into the class and learn properly. Now, I told you the topic for this class is Introduction to Biology. So I'm going to briefly tell you what biology is about and explain to you. Biology is a natural science that deals with the physical structures and chemical processes of living organisms. So in other words, biology has to do with a lot of things that has to do with living organisms and non-living organisms. Now we are going to talk why it is called biology. Have you been curious? Have you even thought of it that where did this word come from? Biology is gotten from a Greek word which means bios, is life. Bios means life and logos means living organism. So in other words, it can be merged and you define it as the study of life and living organism. Awesome, that's great. Now, we're going to be talking about the three main branches of biology. There are three main branches. Botany, this has to do with the study of plants. The study of plants. You see plants around you, vegetables. Botany is the study of plants. Then the second main branch is zoology, which is the study of animals, both wild and domestic animals, birds, all animals. Zoology has to talk with the study of animals. Then we have the third one, which is human biology or microbiology. Human biology has to talk about humans and living organisms and their interaction with their environment. Or microbiology that has to do with the study of living organisms that are so tiny that you can see with your eyes. So now let's go proper into the class. Are you there with me? Thank you. Yeah. So now, as we go into this class properly, let's talk about what you understand by biology. I just told you that biology is the study of life and living organisms. Now, the main branches of biology, which is botany, zoology, and human biology or microbiology, they have all the sub-branches under them. Under botany, we have horticulture. Horticulture is that branch of biology that has to do with growing or grooming of plants for decorative or for plantings, for among reasons why people love flowers, roses, and things around them. Now, for zoology, we have things that has to talk about the physiology of animals, their makeup, why they have the way they have, their anatomy, what is in them. That has to talk about the processes and the reproductive system, the systems in them. That is zoology. It talks about physiology and anatomies of animals. Now we have human biology or microbiology that has to talk about the living organism that we can see with our eyes